Right, hello, welcome back. Just a quickie. I've just had this delivered, so I thought I'd unbox it and see what we get. Now, it should be 14 kilos of offcuts of 3mm sheet, mild steel, and also, because I ordered at the same time, in the top of this somewhere should be a sheet of 1mm, yeah, 1mm, 500 by 1000 I think. So I'm doing this quickly because I've got builders in, so I'm just going to use this for now. Just to, I know you shouldn't use a knife, but I'll just do it. So this is just a quick video. You know, it's going to be a lot longer than what I want it to be. Like I say, just so we get it for your money. It's a different company to what I used last time from the other mill. This is supposed to be parts of Force 48, but I suppose because I ordered 2 lots, I upgraded it to 24 hours instead of 40 hours. You've got always dropping my feet, it's upside down, isn't it? Don't do this at home. You can if you want. You can if you really want to. I've got buildings in, I'll put the going doors a bit nice out of there. Just can't, I just can't find my knife at the moment. Nice, I should say. Yeah, I've got a little vice bender thing come as well today. I'll open that in a minute as well and have a play with that, but I'll do it on the video. It'll at least be 1mm. Nothing wrong with that. That's your new toy. Yeah, that's for, I want to have a little practice of some bits and pieces. So that's what that's for. We'll see in another video. And these are all offcuts. Like, so you get 14 kilos worth. So basically what I've got there is a 3mm. There's a bit of a sheet there, and we can serve it. Need to find a tape. Oh my god, because I think the only little tape we're going to be able to find quickly is going to be these key ring. Let's see if we can find that. 2 seconds. I'm in the middle of moving everything. I'm moving Project Charlene and oh my word. Typical. Wasn't really organised for this. I was like, oh dear. Yeah, never mind. Right, let me find this tape where we put it, and then we'll go back from there. Right, found a tape in the van. Typical, isn't it? I looked everywhere for the van, and it was in the glove box. That one was. That'll do. And what's in the other one? And these. Oh, I found a knife. Oh, that's what I would have been measuring with that. Right, this is 500mm by 750 or 29.5 inches. You prefer. So that's one bit. That's the biggest bit of 3 mil. Like I say, there could be any size, you never know what you're going to get. This again, I guess, is 500, yeah, 500. It's just under 20 inches, 19 and 3/4, something like that. By 200, 8 inches. 500 again, I'll say, yep. And that is by 200. Maybe, yeah, 200, just tag over 8 inches. There's a bit here, it is, I can imagine a metre long, yeah, 1,000 long, 1,000 long, yeah, 1,000 mil long. One at the moment. And that's 5 inches wide. So that's a handy little strip, isn't it? And that's all 3 mil, and obviously the sheet of the short sheet of a mil was 1,000 by 500. The sheet was £19, the 1 mil, and I could have got it £1 something rather cheaper, but it's easier to have 2 parcels come from the same company as what it, you know. This was 25 quid for the 3 mil. I'll have a look on their site and see what they're charging for them sort of rough sizes or the bigger size, to see if it was worth it or not. Oh, I've got to turn my thing around first before I turn it off. That's handy. Oh, gloves. Right, I've just checked up the price of what they would charge for the bigger bit of 3 mil. That was £7.50 by 500. Obviously by 3 mil. If you order 3 mil 700, that's 50 mil short, by 500 from them, that's £23 13p. So all like that bit there and the shorter bits, I literally got them for free if you work it out, apart from like a quid, you know. So pretty good. Only trouble when you buy scrap or offcuts, what we prefer to call it. You never know what you're going to get. You could get all little bits. Looks like everything they do is like at least 500 mil wide. But you never know, do you? It's a gamble you take. I've been pretty good lucky with offcuts. If you watch the video with the bits of box and angle and bits of other bits of they give me offcuts. I've done very well out of that video. These are alright. This is fine for me. I'm happy with what I've got, sort of thing. The only thing is I haven't got my scales out here. They're indoors, and because I've got the builders in, I can't get in there to weigh it. But I wouldn't have thought that's far wrong. It's heavy old stuff. It's 3 mil sort of plate, sheet, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'm very happy with me sheet 1 mil as well. Anyway, if you like sort of stuff, subscribe, thumbs up, all the usual sort of stuff, and yeah, see you next time.